Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Mandeville and we are giving you a tour of the finished Avista residential apartments. Now this development consists of 78 units. I'm not sure how the sales are going. If anybody knows, let us know. You can leave a comment in the section below. Now these units were built by Proven Properties, and Proven has done some very nice developments in Jamaica. They did one in New Kingston called Via at the Braemar, very nice, completely sold out. They did one in Runaway Bay called Bahia or Bahari. Actually, I think that one is still under construction. And they are building the ones in Ocho Rios, 2 towers. The name slipped me for that one. If anybody can remember, leave a comment in the section below. What's in it? And then they built this one. But this one is, if you notice, as we turn the camera, you're going to see that this call center is very close to this building. It's actually blocking out some of the view from the lower apartment. So that was a concern for some persons buying them. So I'm not sure if they're completely sold out yet. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. Okay, so we're just going to go through an article that gives some information on this development. The Avista at Bloomfield is a premier residential development located in the cool hills of Mandeville, Jamaica. As part of the pioneering Bloomfield mixed-use development, it seamlessly integrates residential, commercial, and entertainment spaces to create a vibrant community. Avista offers 78 units including studio, 1-bedroom, and 2-bedroom apartments. Each unit features contemporary interiors, open floor plans, and private balconies that provide scenic mountain views. Residents can enjoy a range of amenities such as a state-of-the-art fitness center, a swimming pool, a clubhouse, and a lounge, all designed to enhance comfort and convenience. Situated on Greenville Road, Avista is just minutes away from Mandeville's town center, offering easy access to essential services, shopping centers, and entertainment venues. Alright guys, so that is the end of the update article. It's a very nice building. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below and enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.